too.
This is going to be one of the other 60s buildings here at the Disney Pop Century Resort, Building 5. And there's Riley and Adam.
This is 60s Building 5.
And I'm guessing that's the elevator shaft. And yeah, this is the Jungle Book. The other one is Play-Doh on it. This is 60s Building 5.
Somebody just got ripped off. Somebody else on your staff is going in the room and taking the money out of the room. What happens? Yeah, I used to use my curtains closed.
No, it works.
I left my curtains open, so you moved down. You're looking there and see the cash on the counter, you're opening and taking money. I'll 5422. 5422. I don't know, somebody.
Here we go. Listen.
Short.
We're on 4.
Door opens original.
Yeah, look at that.
SSL.
Yeah, these were VR originally. Hold the button real quick. I wanted to see if I can get a little view out.
That's definitely SSL.
There's the view out. Very beautiful and colorful property. Here's your lanterns. Bells already ring. There's your Series 2 call button.
Someone wants to come down.
Yeah, these are definitely Fujitec. The interlocks confirm it. See? Look at that.
I love this original button.
Same here.
This one's falling out.
Don't worry, everything's okay. We just like elevators.
Fair enough. Just don't film the cast member outside.
Oh, I won't.
Or these guys either.
Yeah, it looked like something was going on. I hope everything's okay.
That's it.
Yeah, look at that.
First.
I'll just show the buttons. Just, oh,
Oh, they're in the
I just want to show the,
They're in the bathroom.
there we go. Interesting, you actually do have a bathroom right by the elevators. And there it goes. And that's gonna be it.